Hi everyone. I hope you all are I hope you all are fine. Today we have got and challenge. Like you can see that there is a data of name column, salary column and department column. And whenever we select particular department, then I want to show or we have to show the particular name and salary of that particular department. So let's begin that. And for that purpose, I'm going to use another sheet. Just first select I mean click on A1 and Control Shift right side right arrow and Control Shift down arrow and Control C copy. Then plus another column. Click on the plus and then paste here and click on the mid of the both rows and columns and double click here. And after that we have to find out two particular name and salary column. Like I'm going to adjust in little bit more, and then I'm going to select department, Control C copy, Control V paste, F2, select department, select department, enter. Then I'm going to change the width of particular E column. Then here we are going to add data validation. For data validation, like Alt D L. But whenever we select, first we have to select list. Then we have to find out the source. But the thing is that when we select that particular source, like and press OK, then it's make a data validation here. You can see here. But the problem is the values are repeated because it is an older version. If you had a latest version, then there will be no problem. It will create a data validation of unique values. So first we are going to put Control Z to remove data validation, and then we need a helping column. Just click on the column C, Control C. Then I'm going to use another sheet helping column. I am practicing it, so it is already here. But you can create a helping column sheet by yourself for you. Control V, and then it is already selected. Then I'm going to data tab, then remove duplicates, continue with the current selection. Okay, as it is only one, then department will be selected. Then I will go back on the sheet 6. We can rename it also, like working now. Okay, here like we have to create an data validation. So first I will click Alt D L. You can just click all after one and another. Like first click on Alt, for second then D, for L. It's a shortcut key. Or you can click like here data validation, and the box will open here, and you can also select from here like list, and then we will select the source. This time we will use the helping column, put it here, and just select these four. Or you can also select multiple, or like wherever the list ends you can select them. and press enter, then it will be automatically created here. Like you can see MIS. You can also select it and go to the home tab and bold it like that. And then we have to find out the list here. If we select MIS, then all the name and salary column of the salary rows, like MIS contains like Krishna Adipu and Lekhu Sharma, all should be here. And if you have latest version, you can use directly filter function. But I have older version to Excel 2016, so I am going to use and trick. I'm going to first I'm going to convert it in a table, so the formula will be dynamically and all the values will be dynamic. So if we update or add some data, the change it will be changes dynamically. So there are two ways to converting in table. First way is Control L. I mean shortcut keys Control L, and second is Control T. You can use anyone according to your interest or of which you are used to. Then press enter. Also you can change the color of table whatever you want. Like I want this one. Okay. Then I am going to create an helper column, and I am going to add the name is helper column. After which you can also hide it if you need it. Otherwise it will be there, no problem, because we are going to use charts to visualize it. Then first what we have to create, if we are going to logical function, if C2 department, it automatically selected whole department, we are going to drop it down, yet it selects overall. Then इज इक्वल टू सॉरी, अगर इज इक्वल टू है डिपार्टमेंट में जो भी वैल्यूज हैं वो इज इक्वल टू किसके इक्वल है. आई विल हैव टू जस्ट ओके कंट्रोल जेड. आई वांट टू decrease the column width, but it should not be there. I think it first I should complete the formula, and as it is, when we select it, the values will be dragged down, but this value will be same. So to make it fixed reference, we have to press F4. It was due to miswording, like touching the wrong key, and then press okay. What the problem is, J1 F4 कोमा एंड वैल्यूज ट्रू. अगर वैल्यू ट्रू है, अगर इसमें एग्जिस्ट करता है, तो क्या करना है हम एक फंक्शन का यूज करेंगे रो कॉलम -1, like, and if it doesn't match, then there should be nothing. Okay, then enter. Here you can see that there are numbers which are used like 1, 6, 11, 16, 21. These are like an helping column, and how it's going to help me, let's find out. First we are going to use index function here to index that particular. So first we have to select array there. Look out what we have to find out, name column. We have to find out name, so we are going to select the only name column, like okay. Then row number, like here we find out the MIS, for MIS, like we are going to find out that particular value, then value should be 1. and it's when we drag it, it's going to change particularly. So I am going to use another function, that is small, and for that values, to find out what should be there, we are going to use helper column as a reference. And in a helper column, what should come first, like here and another function, that is row. We have talked it about it. And in the row column, I am going to use a as a reference, a1 as a reference, then close it. Then it shows that column, we do not have needed in column number, we do not have any need to show about the column number, because there is only one column in the array we selected. Also in that particular situation there was only one arrow, only one column, so no need to put anything else. Just click again on that bracket, close, and press enter. Like you can see that the magic happened. Krishna Adobe has come. Up first I am going to drop it down, because the value is not only one. I am going to drop it down till the 11. Like here we can see that there are only 5 of the MIS in the MIS department, and then it shows error. To fix it, we are going to use if error function, if error, and if there is error, what we have to show? Nothing. Just it should be blank, and enter, and just double click on the corner side. Okay, you can also use like Control D by first shift down, then Control D. Now first second thing is that we are going to use here, we can directly create that, we can copy that formula, Control C, copy, press enter, otherwise it will be take it and it will take it as a reference. Then I will paste it Control. Okay, I think I pressed Control C, so I am going to copy it again, Control C, copy, enter, or you can use escape key also, Control V. And then here I am going to change the array, like first was name array, that should be replaced with salary array, like here table 5 salary. Okay, then helper column should be the same, no need to change it, and note that row values or particular all the things will be same, and also the if error should be same. Here we press enter, you can see that Krishna Adobe, like the values is 59687, it is here. Okay, I think I pressed any key, I'm going to Control Z. Okay, enter. Then I'm going to drop it down till the 11. I think it's 11. Okay, down. The rest extra cell were selected because if we update any values here, like that can come here also. So we do not have to particularly update it. Then first thing is that here the values are in like simple numbers, but we have to convert it in the price column. So I am going to select that particular row, particular column. Then I am going to here in Control Journal setting, and I can also select like currency, and then again I am going to remove it. Otherwise I am going to press Control plus 1, then it will open dialog box, from where we can edit the particular value, like click on the currency, select the decimal value. I do not want to put any decimal value because it doesn't contain any decimal value. It's automatically rupees as a symbol to add as a currency. Your entry cannot be used, an integer or decimal number may be required. 0. Okay. Empty नहीं हो सकता तो I put 0 as it. Okay. अब then I'm going to select it. All border, like I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to make it format better, like color, and like now it feels little bit better. Okay, you can customize it according to you, and it's dynamic. As I said, if I select purchase option, it will be automatically update. You can fit it account. You can also check that helper column is automatically changing. Also, then I'm going to select MIS one. Then I'm going to select it and just going to insert a dynamic chart, 2D cluster column chart. Okay. Then first we are going to customize it, like we are going to use its format, which type of chart we should use for it. Looking well. Okay. No, my friend, I think not. Let's use this one, looking better. Okay, I'm going to delete the grid line. I think there is a problem with that particular Control Z. There is something happening with the mouse key. I'm going to stop it here. Maybe my friend, I have like some issues, technical issues like with mouse key. It's automatically clicking. First I will solve it. So I'm going to upload the video of that still like from here. I'm going to save it from here. Saved. And exit. Okay. I'm going to